In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an email address to your Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner and make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account. Once you're signed in, tap the settings icon in the top right and select Meta Account Center. From here, scroll down and tap Personal Details. Then tap Contact Info, where you'll see the email addresses currently linked to your account. To add a new one, tap Add New Contact and choose Add Email Address. Next, tap Enter Email Address and type in the new email you want to add. Choose the Facebook profile you want this email to be connected with, then tap. Next, a verification code will be sent to that email. Enter the code to confirm. Once that's done, your new email will appear on your Facebook account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you.